In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage tasks in Monday.com 2026, step by step. We'll walk through the essentials: opening your board, creating a new task, setting the due date and status so nothing slips through the cracks, and finally marking the task complete with a simple drag. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable routine for staying organized and keeping work moving. Start by opening your trial management board, or whichever board you use to track work. From your workspace, navigate to the board list and select it. If you have a lot of boards, use the search bar to jump right in. Once you're on the main table view, you'll see your columns, typically things like the task name, owner, status, and due date. Think of this table as your command center for the day. Next, click New Task. This button usually sits near the top or at the bottom of your item list, depending on your view. Type a clear, action-focused title, something like Prepare Client Brief instead of something vague. Short, descriptive names make filtering and reporting much easier. Press Enter to add it to the list. If you have several tasks to add, you can keep typing new ones quickly to capture everything in one sweep. Now edit your task with the due date and status. In the date column, pick the target completion date so timelines are visible to everyone. In the status column, choose the current state, such as not started, working on it, or done, so teammates understand progress at a glance. If your board includes columns for people, priority, or tags, fill those in now to clarify ownership, urgency, and context. Consider adding a quick note in the Tasks Updates panel with any links or files. Centralizing details here prevents back and forth and keeps the history tidy. When the work is finished, drag the task to the complete option to mark it done. Depending on your setup, that might mean dragging the status to done or moving the item into a completed group. You'll see the color change, confirm it's closed out. This simple action keeps dashboards and reports accurate, so your team can trust what they're seeing. If your board has automations, marking a task done can also trigger notifications or archive steps, which helps maintain momentum without manual follow-up. To make your table more comprehensive and efficient, explore adding widgets and views. Dashboards with charts, timelines, or workload widgets can spot bottlenecks early, while filters and saved views keep your focus on what matters today. That's the complete flow. Open your board, create the task, set the due date and status, and mark it complete when you're done.